Hey, super quick. I know that most of the videos you get in your inbox from me are all about yoga. Totally a passion, more of those to come. But today we're gonna focus on one of my other passions, which is essential oils and toxic-free living. And we're gonna really focus on something that I get asked quite a lot about, which is essential rewards. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss something really cool that Young Living has brought out pretty recently, which is called While Go. Many of you, probably like me, are Amazon Prime subscribers. I don't even know how much it is anymore. I pay once a year like $180 or $200 to have my Amazon Prime subscription, and of course I get my stuff shipped to me for free. Well, not free, but clearly I paid for it. So While Go is Young Living's version of Amazon Prime, and it has honestly revolutionized things for me. I love Young Living products, and I never minded paying the $5.99 or $8.99 or whatever the shipping cost is per month. But now, if I choose While Go or While Go Plus and pay a certain amount of money, then I get those products shipped to me each month without paying any additional cost. So let's kind of break that down really quickly. So While Go, $59 for the year, gives you 12 Essential Rewards shipment orders plus one additional quick order. For those of you out there who don't know much about Young Living's Essential Rewards or quick orders or anything like that, please do check out the description below. Gives you more information about how to contact me. I'd love to help you navigate through Young Living essential oils and get you started with the starter kit and get you on Essential Rewards. It's an amazing company. Toxic-free living is the way to go, and it's something that I absolutely swear by and passionate with. So going back really quickly to While Go, for those of you who are interested in Essential Rewards or on Essential Rewards and didn't know While Go has existed, guys, it's phenomenal, really changing my life. So again, $59 for the year gives you 12 Essential Rewards, 12 monthly Essential Rewards shipments to your house and one additional quick order as well. You also get flat rate overnight shipping and priority processing for anything outside of that. Now let's say that you end up doing a lot more quick orders. Maybe then you should look at While Go Plus. While Go Plus gives you the same 12 yearly Essential Rewards orders, but it gives you 24 additional quick orders. It gives you the option to switch back and forth when you're taking the shipping, whether you're doing Essential Rewards or quick orders. This also gives you the standard discounted shipping on orders outside of that, the $12 flat rate overnight shipping and priority order processing. That is for $129 for the year. This is better than Amazon Prime in my opinion, because remember, when you're on Essential Rewards, when you have the While Go or While Go Plus, the While Go Plus for $129 is less than Amazon Prime, but being on Essential Rewards, you're getting your points back. Every time you place an Essential Rewards order, you're getting your free products from the promotions every single month, and every 3 months that you're on Essential Rewards, you're getting a free gift because we want to thank you for being an Essential Rewards loyalty customer. So While Go and While Go Plus just make Young Living, which is already a phenomenal company, even better. Didn't think it was possible, but they never cease to surprise me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you get more awesome videos in your inbox each week from me. And be sure to let me know in the comment section below, are you familiar with While Go Plus, or even Essential Rewards? Do you have questions or want to know more? Let me know. Have a great day.